In the heart of modern-day technology, a remarkable bridge has been built, a bridge that connects the cutting-edge world of artificial intelligence with the distant echoes of ancient Rome. This is the story of Aeneas, a revolutionary AI model developed by Google DeepMind in 2025, designed not just to read but to revive the broken voices of the past. For centuries, archaeologists and historians have struggled to piece together fragmented Latin inscriptions carved into stone, etched into metal, or painted on pottery. These inscriptions are precious glimpses into everyday Roman life, but time hasn't been kind. Erosion, decay, and destruction have left behind partial texts, missing links, and lost meanings. That's where Aeneas comes in, a transformer based AI trained not just to analyze language but to understand it in its historical and geographical context. This model is unlike anything that came before. With a training set of over 176,000 ancient inscriptions, totaling around 16 million characters, Aeneas can restore missing fragments, estimate when a piece was written down to a 13-year window, and even identify which of 62 Roman provinces it came from. It's not just guessing, it's reading the past with machine precision and human level subtlety. The AI is named after the legendary Trojan hero Aeneas, a fitting tribute to a model that ventures through time to make sense of ancient chaos. It builds on earlier work like DeepMind's Ithaca, which focused on ancient Greek, but Latin posed even greater challenges, a vast empire with evolving dialects, non-standard spelling, and inscriptions covering everything from law to love, death to devotion. What makes Aeneas truly unique is how it handles uncertainty. It doesn't pretend to be perfect. Instead, it offers ranked suggestions, probability scores, and invites collaboration with historians, not competition. In testing, it was reviewed by 23 expert historians, and 90% found it helpful. One standout case was its analysis of the famous Emperor Augustus's autobiographical inscription. Despite its propaganda tone and ambiguous timeline, Aeneas narrowed the text's origin to the two exact periods still debated by scholars today. From a technical standpoint, it's a marvel. Aeneas processes inscriptions as sequences, recognizes archaic grammar and spelling changes over time, and even includes a small amount of visual data from image-based inscriptions. It's trained to fill in gaps even when the size of the missing section is unknown, and most impressively, it helps historians go faster, deeper, and with more confidence into the past than ever before. Strategically, the implications are huge. This is not just about Rome, it's a model for how AI can help preserve and interpret ancient history globally. Think Assyrian cuneiform, Egyptian hieroglyphs, Sanskrit scriptures, endangered languages, lost texts from crumbled civilizations. This model shows what's possible when we blend human wisdom with machine learning. But it's not a magic box. Aeneas still has limits. It works best when guided by expert hands. It's trained on known data, so there's still some bias, and it can't replace cultural interpretation or archaeological context. That said, it's the most comprehensive, nuanced, and collaborative tool ever built to bring the ancient world back to life. So, what does this mean for the future? It means museums could soon use AI to recreate worn-out inscriptions for visitors. Students might explore Roman history with AR overlays powered by Aeneas, and for researchers, this tool is already a game changer. Ancient voices, long silent, are speaking again, and we finally have the tools to listen. If you found this journey through time and technology fascinating, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an innovation story like this. And tell us in the comments, what lost language or civilization would you like to see revived with AI?